How does someone go from this to this, using only natural remedies at home? No filters, no expensive products, just real, visible results. Have you ever stared at your reflection and wondered, why is my skin acting up? Why does it seem like perfect skin is only for the lucky few or those who can spend hundreds on fancy serums? Well, what if I told you that you could transform your skin naturally, safely, and affordably without even leaving your home? Meet Maya, a regular 23-year-old student who, like so many of us, spent years battling breakouts, dark spots, and dry patches. Her bathroom was filled with bottles of products, half used, some barely making a difference. But one day, Maya had enough. She skipped beach days, avoided selfies, and felt defeated. That's when she decided to change things up. No more expensive solutions. Instead, she turned to natural remedies. Slowly but surely, she swapped out chemicals for simple, homemade routines that she could trust. In just 8 weeks, Maya's skin went from inflamed and irritated to calm, clear, and glowing. No miracle creams, just consistency and nature's power. So, how did she do it? Let's break it down. Here are the natural skincare steps that help Maya, and that can help you too. First, the 60-second cleanse. Use raw honey or an oatmeal paste. Massage gently into damp skin for 60 seconds. This simple method lifts dirt and bacteria while nourishing your skin. Rinse with lukewarm water. Try this daily. It can reduce breakouts and prevent dryness. Next, a green tea toner. Steep green tea, let it cool, and apply with a cotton pad. Packed with antioxidants, it helps calm redness and fights acne. You can even store it in a spray bottle for an easy, refreshing mist. Aloe vera is next. Fresh aloe gel works wonders on scars, dark spots, and inflammation. Apply a thin layer at night, let it soak in, and rinse in the morning for smoother, brighter skin. Don't forget hydration. Drink more water than you think you need. Plus, add foods rich in omega-3s, like walnuts and flax seeds, to your diet. Your skin is a reflection of what you eat, so make sure you're nourishing it from the inside out. Hydrating your skin doesn't end with water. Natural oils like jojoba and rosehip oil are amazing for moisturizing. These oils mimic your skin's natural oils and won't clog pores, leaving your skin soft and balanced. Lastly, remember, skincare is about consistency, not overnight miracles. Stick with your routine, be patient, and trust that your skin is healing beneath the surface. Your skin doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs time, kindness, and consistency. No need for expensive, chemical-heavy products. Nature has everything you need. Please, go to my page to watch more videos about skincare. My duty is to make you look good. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more natural skincare tips, and leave a comment below. What's your biggest skin challenge right now? Write down your answer on the comment box below.